Ever wondered what actually happens when you type google.com into your browser? Spoiler, it's not magic, it's HTTP, a simple set of rules that lets your browser and the server talk to each other. In this video, we're going to peek behind the curtain at HTTP basics, spin up our very own Flask web server, and even make the computer say "Hello Flask," like a polite little robot. Let's dive in. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and the best way to picture it is like a waiter in a restaurant. You make a request, "I'd like a pizza, please." The server gives you a response, "Here's your pizza." Different requests have different purposes. A GET request is when you're asking the server to give you something. A POST request is when you're sending data to the server. With PUT, you're asking the server to replace something with your new version, and with delete, well, you're telling it to remove something entirely. The server then replies with the status code that tells you what happened. A 200 means everything's fine, a 404 means the page doesn't exist, you probably mistyped the URL, and the 500? That usually means the server's kitchen caught on fire. Behind the scenes, Flask runs on top of something called WSGI, the Web Server Gateway Interface. You don't need to worry about the name too much, just know it's the glue that lets Python apps talk to the web. Okay, enough theory, let's build. Step 1. Install Flask, open your terminal and run. Now, let's create a file, then run it with. You just launched a web server. If you go here, you'll see a web app isn't much fun with just one page. Let's add another route. Now if you visit About, Flask serves a different response. Every app route is like giving the server a new map of where to go. You can even serve dynamic content. Now try it, and watch Flask greet you personally. So today we learned that HTTP is basically the messenger between your browser and the server, carrying requests back and forth like a digital waiter. Those status codes are the server's way of telling you what happened, whether everything went smoothly or the kitchen caught fire. We also saw how Flask makes spinning up a server ridiculously easy, and how app.route is the simple magic that lets you create new pages. Here's your challenge. Add a contact page that returns a fun message like "Send me an email, but only if it's about pizza." Drop your version in the comments below. Next time, we'll go deeper, building routes, templates, and forms to turn this into a real web app. I'll see you in the next dimension.